Not a very exciting video. I have to say, sometimes, in the old game of mindfulness, this is pretty much up there when it comes to great moments. Heading to, what date is it? So it's Sunday, the 3rd of September 2023. We're on the Ambassador cruise line, ship Ambience. Departed Tilbury yesterday at 5 o'clock. Gone up the east coast. I haven't checked, but we're probably Newcastle way. It's about 4 o'clock now. Debs is at a crafting event. I've just done my sitting Pilates, which was fun. Been chatting to loads of people, meeting lovely people on there, just really friendly. First ever cruise, and I tell you what, it's wonderful, absolutely wonderful. I'm sure it'll all be different if the food was rubbish, people were horrible and that, but look at this weather. And you haven't got any towels on the seats or anything. Awesome. I love this view at the back. Can't beat it. I think it's my favourite. Anyway, so we were heading to a place called Scrabsea, which is how you access John O'Groats, but I haven't been to John O'Groats twice. It was one or two that I weren't that bothered with the itinerary. Well, the itinerary is, or was, Scrabsea on tomorrow, this being a sea day, and then that would be a Monday, and then Tuesday Portree, which is the capital of Skye. We've hired a car to go around that in the day we're there. And the next day, Tobermory. What's the story? Balamory. And then the day after that, Belfast. And the day after that, Liverpool. Then the sea day, as we head down to Guernsey. Spend the day in Guernsey, and overnight, travel to Le Havre, and then finally back to Tilbury. 10 days. Lovely. Anyway, we're not going to Scrabsea now because there's a swell apparently up there. So we're going to the Orkney Isles, to a place called, I think it's called King Ross or something like that. But very much looking forward to that. Much prefer to go to the Orkney Isles than basically Thurso, as it was. Right, I've had this magazine that Deb's bought me for 5 years and hadn't opened it and started reading it. So, finally have. Not a bad place to read it.